Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to save a location on Google Maps to use offline. So first thing that you will do is simply go ahead and open up the Google Maps application into your device. Now from here guys, just simply select your profile icon on the top right corner of the screen. And after that, just simply go ahead and select offline maps over here. And just simply select your own map at the very bottom of the screen. And from here, guys, you could just simply select a location of a place where you want to download. And of course, the larger the map, the more MB or gigabyte it will take or storage it will take. And after that, you could just simply go ahead and select download at the bottom once you have done it. And after that, just simply wait for it to be downloaded and you should be able to save location on Google Maps and you could use it offline. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching.